My name is Sohan Mahapatru and I completed my BTech from Pala Maharaj Engineering College in Computer Science and Engineering. Unfortunately, due to the recession, we didn't have any campus drive in our college. But one lucky day, our center head Ravi Kumar Singh came to our college and he told us that they were having a job fair. And so I decided to go there. And to my luck, I got selected in a company called First American. And the company had some criteria that we had to be fluent in ASP.NET, C#.NET, MS SQL, HTML and JavaScript. So me and my other friends were invited to study in NIIT, that too free of cost. Here in NIIT, I learned very informative things. The classes were very educative and the staff was very supportive in nature. I am very thankful to the staff and the center head who guided us all along this path. And this trip of NIIT was very fruitful for me. And I would like to thank all the NIITians who are looking for a brighter future, that they always strive towards success. Thank you.
I'm Niharika Sabat, a bright student of NIT. I've done my BTech from NIST Berhampur. I have selected for this job in job fair that was conducted by NIT. Then that was really a pleasant experience for me. So I didn't know about job fair and all, what's the process actually, for the company are going to participate in that. So I did little nervous about that. I did not prepare for that. So finally I had gone through all the process of that company. Then finally I have selected for that job. Then I have joined NIT for my training. There was a talk with Ravi sir in the first day. Sir told me my role in the company is the software tester. Kunal sir and Krishna sir were taking my classes, training program like ASP.NET and all about testing. So they are very friendly in nature. They are trying their level best to accommodate the training process. And the entire process of the training program is really awesome, and I really enjoyed all this. I think I am very lucky to got this job because some of my friends are still unemployed. I would like to thankful the all NIT team and so finally I'd like to thank Ravi sir, Kunal sir, Krishna sir, Rajan sir and all NIT team member for giving me a chance and opportunity. Thank you.
Currently I am seeing some success stories of the NIT. I am a pass out student from Parla Maharaja Engineering College, and as we all know that there is recession, so the software jobs are quite scarce nowadays. Suddenly on the Facebook we got information about the job fair that is being conducted by the NIT, but friends, we are not sure of attending it because the following day we are having our exams. One day the center head of the NIT, Ravi sir, attended our college and encouraged us to attend this campus. So at last I along with some of my friends attended the job, and at the end of the day I with some of my friends got selected. The company needed us to get trained in the .NET and SQL server. As we had not done the course before, NIT provided all of these training free of cost. The teachers were very nice, classes were very informative, they cleared all our doubts with patience. At last I would like to thank all of the NIT members, without whose help I could not have attained this success. I would wish all the best to all the NITians. May NIT reach greater heights in the near future.
This is K. Prashant Kumar from NIST Berhampur. I have completed my graduation from NIST Berhampur and my branch is Computer Science Engineering. Though I have attended many of the on-campuses conducted by college, though I have not selected any of the campus, then I got one of the friend of this NIT, through which I got the details of the job fair conducted by NIT. So I have tried my luck by best to give this job fair, attend the job fair. Though we have exams on the next day of the job fair, still then I have attended the job fair. Luckily I cracked my first round. The faculties of the JNIT called me so that you have cracked the first round. So then I cleared the GD, then I cleared the two interviews conducted by the HR and technical. Then I feel lucky, then we got a letter that you should follow the criteria of the company. So they give the 5 modules like C#, .NET, OOPS, HTML. So then I thought these would be a completely new module for us because we haven't having any idea about these modules. Then Ravi sir called us Then we got a hope that okay, we would like to attend these courses. The courses are need a lot of time, around 2 months, but we have a short time. They said that we have to complete in 30 days. The faculty helped them a lot, giving a classes regular interval, even in morning 2 hours, evening 2 hours. The lab session conducted by them, they helped me a lot. I would like to thank Mr. Ravi Singh sir, because they helped me very a lot, because by providing the materials, the class sessions, and the paperwork done that required for the company. So I would like to thank each and every faculties of NIT and the staff of NIT. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dinesh Kumar Panda and I am a final year graduate pass out from Parla Maharaj Engineering College. Our college did not provide us with the adequate number of on-campus drives which we needed to be a good software engineer. Amidst this uncertain future, I came to know the mega job fair organized by NIT. Well, I came to know about the kind-heartedness of NIT when I saw the center head of NIT's Ravi sir coming and addressing us and welcoming us to the job fair that is organized by him. Ravi sir's long year experiences and his motivational words encouraged us to attend it, and he made us realize that this is of utmost importance to us. So we thought of attending it, and I, along with some of my friends, attended it, and I was among some of the lucky guys to have cracked the interview, and I was selected as a software trainee in the software firm named First American Private Limited. I was very much impressed by the organizing and the way the NIT team united and performed it. Once Ravi sir called us and told us that the company needed 5 modules. Those are ASP.NET, C#.NET, and HTML, JavaScript, OOPS concept. These are totally new modules for us. So they told us that we should learn these by our own terms. Then I thought for a bit, who in Berhampur can give us proper guidance in order to perform well in the company. Then Ravi sir lent his helping hands, and he told us that he would arrange all the facilities and all the lab equipments that are required for us to complete this complete these all modules. Day in and day out hard work of Kunal sir and Krishna sir enabled us to complete this within 40 days. You won't believe it, we completed these all modules in 40 days. We were guided by Rajan sir a lot, and Biswa sir also helped us. So NIT, without having any relationship with us, we didn't know what was NIT, he didn't know what we were, but still it helped us in our future. So I thank NIT and all its faculty members a lot. Thanks a ton, and hope NIT reach greater heights, and I would recommend you all join NIT and you will be successful in your future. Thank you.